Hi Garden Club. Today we're going to talk about buds. Last time we did blossoms, this time we're going to do buds. We're going to go to the same areas, still in my yard, and you're going to want to go to the same areas, still in your yard. It would be interesting if you did them in two different time periods, because what I found when I went back to find the different buds is that some of them had already opened and turned into blossoms, or they opened and turned into leaves. So in this section, we're going to look at buds, but not just blossom buds or flower buds. We're also going to look at leaf buds. Even some of the plants we don't necessarily like this stingy nettle here, has buds. Every plant has to have buds in order to grow. This is the parent grape bush to the grapes we have at school, and if you can look right here, we have a bud that is a leaf bud that's just getting ready to form. You got it, tulip. On this tree, right here, I have a bud, and that bud is a leaf bud. Now you can see that it's closed. It is just starting. It's even bigger, but then look over here a little bit closer, and this one's opening up. Now, a flower's not coming out of that. A leaf is. Okay, out on my walk this morning around the yard, I found several different bulbs, which I pointed out. I brought them inside, and now we're going to cut them apart. Okay, we're going to start with the bud first off of the blueberry. That's this one. And if I cut open this bud, I'm going to have to use a little side because it's already starting to open up. What do we see? Oh boy, it's destroying that one. Let's try this one. And we can see that this actually has a little stem attached and a whole bunch of other buds inside of the one bud. Interesting. Look at this one right here. This was a bud off at the dogwood tree. Now, do you think that's going to be a leaf bud, or do you think it's going to be a flower bud? Make your prediction. And let's cut it open. Try this way so you can see better. So now when we open it, we can lay it here and roll it over so you can see it. I'll bring this in close. And if you look, you can see that inside this particular bud, right there, it's green. Boy, if you could smell it, you could smell that it's very potent. And very tight petals or leaves together right there. My camera will go in closer. Tight. I saw through the bud for the rhodie. What color do you think this rhodie is going to be? Look at the petals. The petals are right here. See the maroon? Do you see the middle part right here? This will be where the stamen and the pistil are. Can you see them now? Yeah, not really, not yet. When it opens, would we be able to see them? Yes. The funny thing on this blossom, unlike the daffodil, where only one flower comes out of each stalk, the blossom for the rhodie has many flowers that come out of the one stalk. Bet you know what that is? Tulip. Just starting tulip. So we're going to cut. Actually, let's try to peel this one apart too. There's 1, 2, 3. Oh, look. Remember when we cut the flower and we saw the stamen and the other parts to the inside of the flower? There we go. These aren't sticky yet. No pollen comes out on my hand. Stamens that should be all sticky. There's the pistil. Now, just like in the daffodil we cut apart earlier, this has many of the same parts to it. There you got it. We did some buds, we did some flowers. Okay, Garden Club, we've come to our end of buds this week and blossoms yesterday. Did you notice anything that was the same? Anything that was different? Did you wash your hands after each time? I hope so, because you should be washing them all the time. Next week, we'll have some new thing that we'll be exploring having to do with gardening and plants. Make sure you share your pictures with me and let me know what you think, and we'll put a carousel up on our website. I miss you guys. Can't wait till we're back together.